Hey, what's up YouTube? How you doing? Chris Rod, Sun City Lawn Care. Just here about to do a leaf cleanup. That's how we do them in West Texas. Because we ain't got no leaves. Just kidding. We got rocks, but we got some sporadic leaves starting to build up as we get closer to the backyard. Oh, there we go. Here we go. See what we're working with. Quick walkthrough. There they are. Looks like some debris from the neighbor's trees. There they are. Very nice. Got some maple leaves, Texas oak. Oh yeah, that's good. Alright, that's it guys. Easy peasy little leaf cleanup here. Blew everything out of the rock beds, oleander beds, rose beds. Everything's rocks. We don't have a lot of mulch here. She does have mulch around the trees, which is great because those trees could use them, but simple enough. We blow it out of the beds. We don't blow it to the front. Hold on. A lot of our properties, they don't have these half acre, quarter acre, full acre size lots, so it makes it really easy for us to do the leaf cleanups down here. This is West Texas. Now, I will say, I do have some clients in what we call the Upper Valley, massive plots, or lots, massive amount of trees, they get a lot of leaf fall. So a leaf vacuum in that case would be great. But here, simple little easy setup, a couple bags of debris, leaf blower. The tactic or technique that I use is I mulch, okay? So I mulch all the leaves, I'll get them out of the beds, whether they be rock beds or flower beds, and then I'll bag them with the mower. The reason why I do that, two reasons, okay? I'm a practitioner of organic gardening for one, and organic lawn care. So the more organic material you can get in the soil system, the better, I believe, okay? And then the reason why I bag, I don't need a big old leaf vacuum with a dump trailer and all that jazz, which I could for some properties in some particular neighborhoods where I've got some clients. But the second reason why I bag is because if you guys check out my Instagram channel or seen any of my previous videos here on YouTube, I do organic gardening at the house too. So I compost. We got 2 crate pallets, 2 size bins. They're like 4x4s. And I constantly add material to that to keep that thriving, and so that I'm producing my own soil for my own garden beds at the house, or the office, I should say. So anyways, whether you guys got a leaf vacuum, a bag, that's just a simple cleanup here in West Texas that we do. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and always don't forget to subscribe and like the channel if you have any comments, or if you even need a leaf cleanup yourself, give me a holler.